Tired of spending a fortune at coffee shops only to wish you could make the perfect cup right at home? Today we are counting down the top 5 drip coffee makers that will give you barista level brews without leaving your kitchen. From rich flavors to the perfect morning aroma, these machines are ready to transform your coffee game. For more information on any of the drip coffee makers listed in this video, check out the links in the description box down below. Ready to meet your new morning best friend? Let's dive into the best drip coffee makers to start your day right. And now I would leave it to Ben to guide us through the products.
Thanks, Tom. Number 5, the Ninja CE-251, Best Versatile Brewer. The Ninja CE-251 coffee maker is all about versatility, making it a hit in households where coffee preferences are as varied as breakfast orders at a diner. With options for both single cups and full pots, it's ready to serve anything from a quick caffeine fix to a full-blown coffee marathon. The 12-cup capacity is ideal for families or anyone who loves having a little coffee security, just in case. One of its standout features is the small batch function, designed to give you that rich, full-bodied flavor, whether you're brewing just a few cups or the whole pot. And for those who need their coffee just right, the Ninja CE-251 lets you adjust the brew strength. So whether you're in the mood for something mild or bold enough to wake the neighbors, just press a button and you're set. The 24-hour programmable delay feature lets you set it up the night before, so your coffee's ready when you are. Perfect for mornings when you'd rather let the machine do the thinking. Plus, it has a warming plate to keep your coffee hot for up to 4 hours, with an adjustable temperature setting to keep your brew just right. Ideal for those who like to savor their coffee or simply get distracted mid-sip. Of course, it's not without a few quirks. Some users have found filling the water reservoir to be a bit of a balancing act, like trying to pour water without making a splash zone around the machine. Also, the warming plate doesn't turn off automatically when you lift the carafe, which might surprise you if you're used to coffee makers that do this. All in all, the Ninja CE-251 serves up flexibility, flavor, and simplicity. With features that cater to every coffee drinker's style, it's a solid choice for anyone who likes a bit of control over their morning brew. Number 4, Black & Decker, 12-cup, most affordable. The Black & Decker 12-cup programmable coffee maker is designed for those looking for straightforward functionality without a hefty price tag. It's a no-fuss coffee maker that fits effortlessly into the morning routine and covers the basics exceptionally well. One of the main draws of the Black & Decker is its 12-cup capacity, which caters to families, offices, or anyone who loves having a full pot ready to go. Despite its affordable price point, it doesn't skimp on useful features. With the programmable timer, you can set it to brew coffee up to 24 hours in advance. Imagine waking up to the smell of fresh coffee already waiting for you. It's a simple luxury that adds a lot of value. The Sneak a Cup feature is another practical addition. If you're too impatient to wait for the full pot to brew, this feature lets you pause the brewing to pour a cup without spilling. Another standout is the 2-hour auto shutoff, which adds a layer of safety and energy efficiency. If you're someone who often forgets to turn off appliances, this feature could be a real lifesaver. The coffee maker also comes with a durable, easy-to-clean glass carafe and a removable, dishwasher-safe filter basket, making maintenance effortless. For those concerned with taste, the Black & Decker delivers a well-balanced brew, but it may not have the fine-tuned controls of more premium models. However, considering its price, the flavor quality is more than satisfactory. As for downsides, some users report that the water reservoir can be tricky to fill without spilling. Additionally, it doesn't come with a built-in water filter, so if water quality is a concern, you might want to use filtered water for the best results. But overall, these are minor inconveniences for a coffee maker at this price point. Number 3, the Mr. Coffee 14 Cup, best for large capacity. The Mr. Coffee 14 Cup programmable coffee maker is a fantastic pick for anyone who needs a high-capacity brewer to start the day off right. Whether you're serving a household of coffee lovers or just need a bigger pot to keep you fueled, this coffee maker steps up with its generous 14-cup capability. One of the standout features is the programmability. You can set the brew timer up to 24 hours in advance, so your coffee is ready exactly when you need it. If you're an early riser or simply love waking up to the aroma of coffee, this feature brings a lot of convenience. Alongside the programmable timer, the Mr. Coffee also has an auto pause feature, allowing you to grab a cup mid-brew without causing a mess. A great touch when you just can't wait. Additionally, the Mr. Coffee offers several customization options, including a strong brew setting for those who prefer a bolder, richer flavor. The brew strength selector is a nice detail, especially since it's often missing in similar coffee makers. This model also includes a fresh brew timer that lets you know how long your coffee has been sitting, so you're never surprised by a stale sip. While the coffee maker performs well for the price, some users have mentioned a few minor drawbacks. For one, the size of the machine is a bit bulky compared to standard 12-cup models, which might be an issue if you're short on counter space. Additionally, a few users reported that the carafe doesn't pour as smoothly as they'd like, which can lead to spills if you're not careful. In summary, Mr. Coffee's 14-cup is all about delivering a great quantity without compromising on quality. If you have space and need a larger coffee maker with reliable features, this one's hard to beat. If you are finding this video helpful so far, don't forget to subscribe and tell us in the comments which drip coffee maker you like the most. Number 2. The Cuisinart DCC-3200P1 coffee maker, best temperature control. The Cuisinart DCC-3200P1 coffee maker is known for its excellent temperature management, allowing you to brew a pot of coffee that's just the right level of hot without sacrificing flavor. If you're the type who loves a steaming cup, this coffee maker's temperature control makes a real difference in the overall taste and enjoyment. One of the best features of the Cuisinart is its adjustable temperature control on the warming plate. You can choose between low, medium, or high settings to keep your coffee at the perfect temperature for up to 4 hours, depending on your preference. Plus, the 14-cup capacity means this machine is ready to serve you and any guest who may stop by. It's also perfect for those who go through multiple cups throughout the day without having to brew fresh batches constantly. The programmable features are another highlight. With a 24-hour start timer, you can set your coffee to start brewing whenever you need it most. It even has a self-cleaning function that simplifies the regular maintenance, which is always a nice touch. The bold setting is perfect for anyone who loves a rich, strong cup, while the regular setting offers a smoother, milder taste. A few cons have been noted across multiple user reviews. Some people mentioned that the carafe, though large, can be a bit tricky to pour without spilling. Additionally, a few users found the buttons slightly hard to press, especially first thing in the morning when you just want to get to your coffee. Overall, the Cuisinart DCC-3200P1 offers strong performance, reliable brewing options, and excellent temperature control, making it a great fit for coffee enthusiasts who value a hot, satisfying brew. Number 1. Breville Precision Brewer. Best overall. The Breville Precision Brewer is truly a standout for anyone serious about their coffee, whether you're a daily drinker or a weekend connoisseur. It's designed to adapt to a wide range of brewing styles, so it offers incredible flexibility and precision for those who like to customize their coffee-making experience. One of the major highlights of the Breville Precision Brewer is its 6 preset brewing modes, including Gold, Fast, Strong, Iced, Cold Brew, and My Brew. Each of these modes adjusts the brew temperature and timing to optimize flavor, which is perfect for coffee lovers who appreciate a tailored cup. In particular, the Gold setting, calibrated according to the standards of the Specialty Coffee Association, ensures you're getting a cup that's balanced and full of flavor. If you love experimenting, the My Brew setting allows you to tweak the temperature, bloom time, and flow rate to get the exact taste you're after. The machine also features an adjustable and precise PID temperature control, ensuring that your coffee is brewed at a stable temperature. With the option to brew as little as 1 cup or as many as 12 cups, the Precision Brewer is equally suited to solo mornings or entertaining a group. A few critical points to keep in mind include the machine's somewhat larger footprint. It's a bit bulkier than other models, so counter space could be an issue for smaller kitchens. Some users also noted that it has a bit of a learning curve, especially if you're diving into the custom settings for the first time. In short, the Breville Precision Brewer is a premium choice for anyone who values both precision and versatility in a drip coffee maker. It combines excellent temperature control, multiple brew settings, and a large capacity, making it well worth considering if you're serious about coffee. So, which of these drip coffee makers do you like the most? Share your thoughts with us in the comments below. Don't forget to hit like. It's easier than deciding which drip coffee maker to buy. Subscribe and ring that bell. Until next time.